In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an AI business with absolutely no money at all. And not only that, I'm also going to give you 5 different business ideas that you can choose from. So regardless of what your skills are, your background is, or the equipment that you have available, I'm sure that you're going to find something that works for you. So stay tuned. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you will never miss out any latest updates. Starting an AI business is one of the hottest new trends right now because everybody is talking about AI, artificial intelligence. And if you haven't already heard, OpenAI just released their new ChatGPT 4, which is absolutely insane. So if you're looking to get ahead of the curve, then this could be a great opportunity for you. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is an AI business? An AI business is any type of business that utilizes AI technology to provide a service or product. For example, ChatGPT can help you write emails, write blog posts, even do your social media posts. So anything that automates or streamlines a process through the use of AI can fall under this category. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert in AI or have any coding experience at all to start an AI business. You don't even need to be tech-savvy. You simply need to be willing to learn and put in the work. So here are 5 different AI business ideas that you can start today with absolutely no money at all. Number 1 is to offer AI-powered writing services. This could include things like writing blog posts, articles, website copy, social media posts, email marketing campaigns. Basically, there's a lot of different types of writing services that you could provide using ChatGPT. All you would need to do is go to ChatGPT and give it the necessary information that it needs to write whatever it is that you want it to write. Then you would turn around and sell those services to people who need them. For example, you could sell your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even PPH. Number 2 is to offer AI-powered virtual assistant services. Things that you could do include scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, managing social media accounts, doing some data entry, doing some customer service. Again, there's a lot of different things that you could do here, and you really just want to think about what exactly it is that you want to do. And then, once you have that information, you can go to ChatGPT and give it the necessary information that it needs in order to do that task. Then you would turn around and sell those services to people who need them. Number 3 is to create an AI-powered chatbot. Chatbots are really popular right now because they're a great way for businesses to automate customer service inquiries. So if you're a business owner, you can create a chatbot that will answer frequently asked questions, which will free up your time to focus on other areas of your business. Number 4 is to offer AI-powered graphic design services. Now, I personally love this one because I am not good at graphic design at all. So this would be perfect for me. There's actually a really cool tool out there called Midjourney that uses AI to generate images based on text prompts. So what you can do is use Midjourney to create unique graphics and designs that you can then sell to people who need them. And number 5 is to create an AI-powered app. Now this one might seem a little bit more technical, but it's actually really simple to do. There are platforms out there that allow you to create apps without any coding experience at all. And you can use AI to power different aspects of your app. So if you have an app idea that you've been wanting to bring to life, now is the time to do it. All right, so those are just a few different AI business ideas that you can start with absolutely no money at all. But you might be wondering, how exactly do I even get started? Well, the first thing that you need to do is educate yourself on AI and how it can be used to help you start a business. There are tons of great resources out there, including blogs, podcasts, YouTube channels. My personal favorite is to watch some YouTube videos on it. And then, once you have a good understanding of AI and the different ways that it can be used to start a business, You want to choose a niche that you want to focus on. It's important to choose a niche that you're interested in and that there's demand for. You also want to come up with a name for your business and create a logo. If you're looking for some inspiration, you can comment, "I want more information." All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope that it's given you some ideas for starting your own AI business. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every single week, and if you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments below. I'm always happy to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.